Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Malishka Nagda and today we are preparing a vegan protein basket. So today I'll be precisely giving all the details and the importance of all the ingredients that we are using. So we start with the first ingredient. So first we will be using chap. So this is chap, and chap is a really important factor for the proteins that we intake in the body. So chap gives a lot of proteins, vitamins, minerals and insoluble fibers in the body, and it is made up of soya. So it's purely vegetarian. And then comes the tofu. Tofu is also known as soya milk paneer. We have normal paneer which has lactose, but the tofu is purely vegan, and it is like an antioxidant for the body, and it is gluten free and has no cholesterol. For those who have cholesterol problem, they can use tofu paneer. And then we have these veggies. So first, this is red bell pepper, this is yellow bell pepper. So they have a lot of vitamin A, vitamin C, and have a lot of potassium and fibers. And this is purple cabbage. Purple cabbage is a good source for again antioxidants, and it is really nice for the health and overall health benefits. Then for this particular recipe, it is very important that we precisely have a look on all the spices that we are using for the marination. So first, this is the Kitchen King masala. I am going to use this for the marination, Kitchen King masala. Then comes the Tara masala. I bought this from some exhibition and I really just tried it, and it went really well. So this is the packet of the Tara masala. You can take a screenshot of it and then you can order it. And then we are going to use the Szechuan chutney. You can use any brand Szechuan chutney. And then again the main ingredient is the magic cubes from the Maggi company. This really has a good taste, and it really helps me to make a good food in any variety. And then comes this. This is the chana powder. Yeah, so this is about it. And now we will start with our recipe.
First up, we will start with taking chap and removing it from the stick and chopping it into small pieces.
So now we are starting up for the marination. So first we will add the Tara masala. This is 2 tablespoons of Tara masala. Then 2 tablespoons of chane ka atta. 1 tablespoon of Szechuan chutney. This is 1/3 tablespoon of the Kitchen King masala and 1 magic cube. Now we will add some water and mix it well. Now you can see this is ready, and now we will add red bell peppers, yellow bell peppers and some cabbage. Mix it well. Now add the tofu. This is 100 gram of tofu. And now we will add the chap, soya chap. And mix it well. Now we will let it aside for marination for about 10 to 15 minutes.
It is marinated now. We take a pan, add 1 spoon of oil and just add everything in the pan. We will roughly saute it. Now we add again 1 spoon of oil and mix it well. Now we scatter everything and keep it on medium flame for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we flip the side and as you can see, there's a layer formed. You have to flip everything and again keep it for 5 minutes. Now after the second side is cooked as well, we have to just do like this so that everything is apart and cooked well. And now we will take it out in another container. And again do the same thing so that they are apart.
So it's the time for plating the vegan protein basket, for which I am using the basket. This is also called a tart. You can make it at home or you can also get it from the store. So now we are going to use a spoon, add the protein mix stuff in the tart. It is really tempting me right now. I just can't wait to taste one of them. And here it is. And now we are going to use the grated tofu. This is the grated tofu and this is the packaging of it. You can see. So we are going to use the grated tofu on top. We can also call it as the vegan sev puri. And now we are going to use some basil leaves. We have to take some in hand and then squeeze them like this. And put it on top. And this is how it is. And now we plate it. Here goes 1, 2. So here the vegan protein basket is ready and this is how tempting it is. So this is about it, and our very special and healthy vegan protein basket is ready. And since we've been having junk all day in the quarantine and we've been making all cheesy stuff, so I thought to make something very healthy. You can even have this recipe twice a week and it is going to be tasty and healthy for your health. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you really did, do not forget to try this recipe at home. You can also add your favorite ingredients and sauces in this, and I will try mine and you can enjoy yours.